What's up YouTube? Back at it again with a Nike outlet find. Here we have a Nike React Element 55. It's a black-white colorway. I think it's a pretty common shoe. I got them for about 70 bucks, maybe like a couple years ago. They've just been lying around. Here's the shoe. If you need a pair yourself, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. It's a great looking shoe. We're going to throw them on foot here in just a second. The Nike outlets lately have been pretty dry, I should say. Dry in that you can't really find the most amazing stuff, especially in Canada. Like, the best outlet in Canada is full of a bunch of basketballs where the shoes used to be. It's a little unfortunate, but it is what it is. Here they are, together. When we throw them on, just let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. React Elements are quite comfortable. I know a lot of people like them a lot. As you can see, like, it's a clean colorway as well, so it's really a sneaker you can wear a lot of different things, joggers, jeans. If you're looking for a nice pair of joggers, check out the Amazon affiliate marketing link in the description. I think you'll find a nice pair of jeans probably as well. Right now I'm wearing a pair of Sandero joggers. They're pretty comfortable. I prefer a flyknit material to these kind of water-resistant materials that Nike uses sometimes. I'm just assuming they're water-resistant. I'm not really 100% sure. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the links in the description. I like these shoes a lot. Goodbye.